We have a 2017 Infiniti QX30 2.0. We replaced the transmission in it, and the car would not move at all. So it turns out it needs to be programmed, and also it turns out everything in this vehicle pretty much is made by Mercedes. So guess what? The engine's Mercedes, transmission is Mercedes. So if you need this programmed, you're gonna have to send it to Mercedes. It was pretty expensive to get it programmed, so we did some research, and we decided we were just gonna replace the valve body on it. We did, and it is moving after we replaced the valve body. And I'll show you the old transmission, the valve body, if anybody's thinking about replacing transmission in this. So here's the old transmission that came out of that vehicle, and here's the valve body. That's the one that was in the new transmission, not exactly new, like new used transmission. So this is the one that needed to be programmed. Here's some part numbers. So we went ahead and took this one out and put in the original valve body from the bad transmission, and that worked. So we can confirm, if somebody replacing the transmission, you will definitely need it to be programmed, and more than likely it's gonna have to be through Mercedes, or I'm sure the Infiniti dealership can do it as well, but they will use the Mercedes software for it. But it is also confirmed that if you do replace the valve body, as long as your valve body is good, if it's not defective, you do not need the transmission programmed.